5 reasons why Crane Cargo is the #1 solution for shipping from USA to Uganda. Crane Cargo address is free to use when placing orders that are in USA. The packages come directly to Crane Cargo's facilities and can be verified and inspected by the Crane Cargo team. At this point, returns and exchanges can still be done if needed. Online orders are usually delivered in many packages. And sometimes you may have items coming from different places or stores. This can make shipping them very expensive. Crane Cargo's team will get all your packages and pack them together, while also making sure the more delicate and fragile items are packaged securely to avoid damage. Crane Cargo will take photos of all your items before they are shipped. These photos are included on your invoice and can be used as a verification reference when your items arrive, so you can be sure you get everything you shipped. Crane Cargo provides booking confirmations, airline tracking, as well as regular shipment status updates, so you can know where your items are and when to expect them, from the time your items are shipped to when they arrive at their destination. Crane Cargo's shipping rates to Uganda typically include customs clearing and handling fees, so you can just pick up your items without having to deal with the process of import duty clearing. Simply pay your invoice and wait for your items. And there you have it. Shop, ship, and save with Crane Cargo.